Geis Audio Video. We provide consumer electronic services for all your needs. We also sell refurbished consumer electronic devices. And we transfer your home movies to DVD. We are located in Greenville, Ohio, and very easy to find. Our shop is just off Broadway. Coming from the Circle, just turn right into the 1st Street, which is West 3rd Street. We offer plenty of parking space. Just turn left when you reach our shop at 107 West 3rd Street. Geis Audio Video, Greenville, Ohio. We serve with excellence. Let our experience work for you.